Space, the final frontier, a vast canvas of darkness sprinkled with the light of a billion suns. It beckons us, challenges us to explore its mysteries. For centuries, we gazed at the stars, wondering, dreaming. What secrets did they hold? Were we alone? Now, we are no longer passive observers. Today, we are explorers, pioneers venturing into the cosmic ocean. Companies like SpaceX push the boundaries of technology, while agencies like NASA unveil the universe's secrets. Join us as we journey through the cosmos, exploring the latest discoveries, the bold missions, and the profound questions that fuel our quest to understand our place in this grand cosmic dance. SpaceX, a company born from a singular vision to make humanity a multi-planetary species. Led by Elon Musk, SpaceX dares to dream big, to push the limits of what is possible. 2025 marks another year of ambitious goals and groundbreaking achievements for SpaceX. With over 138 launches in 2024, they aim to surpass that number this year, reaching for the stars with their Falcon rockets. But SpaceX's ambitions go beyond Earth's orbit. Their sights are set on Mars, on establishing a self-sustaining colony on the Red Planet. And the key to that vision? Starship. Imagine a spacecraft unlike any other, towering over previous rockets, fully reusable, capable of carrying 100 people and cargo to Mars and beyond. That is Starship. In 2025, SpaceX plans to conduct numerous test flights of this revolutionary spacecraft. Each launch, a step closer to realizing the dream of interplanetary travel. Starship is not just a rocket, it is a game changer. It promises to revolutionize space travel, making it more affordable, more accessible, and opening up a new era of exploration. The journey to Mars is long and challenging, but with Starship, that journey feels a little less distant, a little more within our grasp. While SpaceX reaches for Mars, they also work to connect our planet in unprecedented ways. Starlink, their constellation of internet satellites, is expanding rapidly. The first Starlink launch of 2025 took place on January 6th, deploying 24 satellites into orbit. This mission is just the beginning of a year dedicated to expanding global internet coverage. Imagine a world where everyone, everywhere, has access to high-speed internet. A world where geographical barriers no longer hinder education, communication, or economic opportunity. That is the promise of Starlink. With each launch, SpaceX brings us closer to a future where connectivity is not a privilege, but a right, connecting humanity like never before. Section 5. NASA, Unveiling Cosmic Secrets. While private companies push the boundaries of space travel, NASA, the world's premier space agency, continues to unravel the mysteries of the universe. NASA's 2025 calendar is filled with missions that delve into the unknown, seeking answers to fundamental questions about our solar system and beyond. From studying the faintest light from distant galaxies to exploring the icy moons of Jupiter, NASA's missions expand our knowledge and inspire future generations of scientists and explorers. Through their relentless pursuit of discovery, NASA reminds us that the universe is a place of wonder, full of secrets waiting to be unlocked. Section 6. Artemis, humanity's return to the moon. For decades, the moon has beckoned, a celestial neighbor promising adventure and discovery. Now, with the Artemis program, NASA is leading humanity back to the lunar surface. But Artemis is more than just a return. It is a stepping stone. By establishing a sustainable presence on the moon, we pave the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. In 2025, NASA, in collaboration with commercial partners like Firefly Aerospace and Intuitive Machines, will launch a series of robotic missions to the moon, paving the way for future human explorers. The moon, once a distant dream, is becoming a stepping stone to a future where humanity explores the cosmos, not as visitors but as pioneers. Section 7. Black holes, gravity's ultimate triumph. Imagine a region in space where gravity is so powerful, so inescapable, that not even light can escape its clutches. This is the realm of black holes, where the known laws of physics are pushed to their limits, and our understanding of the universe is profoundly challenged. These cosmic monsters are black holes, remnants of massive stars that have collapsed under their own weight. When a star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it can no longer support itself against the pull of gravity, leading to a catastrophic collapse. As a star collapses, its core implodes, creating an infinitely dense point called a singularity. This singularity is a place where density becomes infinite, and the fabric of space-time is infinitely curved. Surrounding the singularity is the event horizon, a point of no return. Once anything crosses this boundary, it is irrevocably drawn into the black hole, unable to escape the immense gravitational pull. Cross the event horizon, and you are trapped forever. The gravitational forces are so extreme that they stretch and compress objects in a process known as spaghettification. Black holes are invisible to the naked eye, but their immense gravity affects the fabric of space-time, warping it like a bowling ball on a trampoline. This warping can be detected by observing the movement of stars and gas clouds around the black hole. Through telescopes and sophisticated imaging techniques, we are beginning to glimpse the edges of these enigmatic objects, peering into the depths of gravity's ultimate triumph. These observations not only help us understand black holes better, but also provide insights into the fundamental nature of gravity and the structure of our universe. Section 8. Wormholes, bridges through space and time. What if we could fold the fabric of space-time, creating shortcuts through the vast distances of the universe? This concept, though it sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, is rooted in the very real and complex theories of physics. The idea is that space-time, the very fabric of our universe, can be manipulated in such a way that two distant points can be brought together, creating a bridge or tunnel between them. This is the tantalizing possibility of wormholes. These hypothetical passages through space-time could potentially allow for faster-than-light travel, bypassing the conventional limitations imposed by the vast distances of the cosmos. Imagine 2 points in space separated by billions of light-years. Normally, traveling between these points would take an unfathomable amount of time, even at the speed of light. But with a wormhole, this journey could be reduced to mere moments. A wormhole would be like a tunnel connecting those points, allowing us to travel between them in the blink of an eye. This concept has profound implications for space exploration, potentially opening up the entire universe for us to explore. While still theoretical, the concept of wormholes has captured the imagination of scientists and science fiction writers alike. The idea of bending space-time to our will, creating shortcuts through the universe, is a tantalizing one that has inspired countless stories and scientific inquiries. They offer a glimpse into a universe where the limitations of space and time might be overcome. Imagine a future where interstellar travel is as common as a flight from New York to Tokyo, where the boundaries of our known universe are no longer barriers but gateways to new frontiers. Though we have yet to observe a wormhole directly, the mathematics of Einstein's theory of relativity suggests their existence, fueling our dreams of exploring the cosmos in ways we once thought impossible. The equations hint at a universe far more interconnected than we ever imagined, where the impossible becomes possible and the distant becomes near. Section 9. Conclusion. An infinite tapestry of wonder. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos, we are left with a sense of awe and wonder. The vastness of space, with its countless stars and galaxies, reminds us of how small we are in the grand scheme of things. Yet it also fills us with a sense of possibility, of the endless opportunities that lie beyond our planet. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of possibilities. Each nebula, each distant galaxy, holds secrets waiting to be discovered. The beauty of the cosmos is not just in its vastness, but in the intricate details that make up this infinite tapestry. From the ambitious missions of SpaceX, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in space travel, to NASA's quest to unravel the cosmos's secrets, using advanced telescopes and space missions to explore the unknown, we are living in an age of unprecedented discovery. Scientists and researchers are working tirelessly, analyzing data from satellites and space missions to expand our understanding of the universe. Each launch, each observation, each new piece of data brings us closer to understanding our place in this grand cosmic tapestry. The rovers on Mars, the satellites orbiting distant planets, all contribute to this ever-growing body of knowledge. The future of space exploration is bright, filled with the promise of new discoveries, new technologies, and perhaps even new life beyond our planet. Innovations in space technology are paving the way for future habitats on other planets, making the dream of interplanetary living a potential reality. So let us continue to explore, to dream, and to reach for the stars. Every mission, every discovery, brings us one step closer to understanding the universe and our place within it. for the universe is an infinite tapestry of wonder, waiting to be unveiled. It is a canvas of endless possibilities, a testament to the boundless curiosity and ingenuity of humankind.